the point on the curve. This curve is given at which the equation of tangent is given. So, suppose this is the curve on this side and this is red is the tangent. So, we must know the two things in this question, the general equation of a line and the slope of tangent. So, the general equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. So, this is the general equation, and the equation of tangent, tangent is also a line, is given like this. So, if you compare it with this equation, so what is the value of m in this case? The coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? It is 1. So, we can say that by comparing the slope of tangent m is equal to 1. The slope of tangent is equal to 1, right. Now, second thing is we can also find out the slope of tangent. We know slope of tangent is dy by dx. So, we can also find the slope of tangent by using the equation of the curve. So, it is dy dx. What is y is given in this question is x cube minus 11x plus 5. So, y is given this. So, if you differentiate it, we have obtained differentiation of x cube is 3x square, differentiation of 11x is 11 and differentiation of 5 is 0. So, this is the slope again. So, this is, we can say that it is also the value of m. If you look at this equation 1, this is equation 2, both are the slope of tangent. So, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that from equation 1 and 2. So, 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. So, 3x square is equal to, if 11 shift on that side, 12, or we can say that x square is equal to 12 by 3 or x square is equal to 4. So, from here we have obtained the two values of x. If x square is 4, then the value of x may be equal to, the value of x is equal to 2 or the value of x may be equal to minus 2. So, it is x is equal to root of 4, root of 4 means plus minus 2. So, if the value of x is 2, then find the value of y. How to find out the value of y? So, we can take the equation of the curve, we can take the equation of line also, y equal to x minus 11. So, y equal to x minus 11. So, y is equal to 2 minus 11, or we can say that y equal to minus 9. In this case, y equal to x minus 11, y equal to minus 2 minus 11 and y equal to minus 13. So, what are the points? The points are, this is the value of y in this case, this is the value of y in this case. So, required points are, so we can say that this is the final answer. Required points are, it's 2 comma minus 9 and minus 2 comma minus 13. So, this is the final answer in this case. This is how we find out the point on the curve.